The Magic Shell is a theatre show for little children and their families. It is based on the African folktale called How Stories Began. The story starts a long time ago, before there were any stories. The children were very bored at that time, and they convinced their mother, Manzandaba, to go and find stories to bring back to the village. Manzandaba convinced their father to stay at home and look after the children so that she could go on the adventure. Manzandaba journeys through the forests, the mountains and the beaches, meeting interesting animal characters that teach her about storytelling. The children in the audience help her on her journey until she finally discovers the magic of stories and brings it home to her village. During the play, the children learn the isiXhosa names for the animals and how these animals form part of our natural world and African culture. They are drawn into a magical place where we can all become part of the story. Nature inspires us to tell our own stories with the power of the imagination.